How to find niche ideas using Google. Many internet marketers struggle to find niche ideas. They often think there's some kind of voodoo involved in finding good markets to target. But the fact is, it's not difficult and there's no real magic to it. In this article, we're going to look at how you can use Google itself to find plenty of ideas for niches to target. The thing you need to remember about Google is that people all over the world use it to find answers to virtually any topic. Google has a huge database of search terms showing exactly what people are looking for. And what's the best type of market to target? One that has people who are looking for solutions, of course. If you already have a general idea of the type of market you want to target, such as weight loss for example, you can use the Google Keyword tool to dig into it a little deeper and find more targeted submarkets to go after. But if you have no idea what market you want to go after, the keyword tool isn't going to be of much help. You need to give it a seed keyword to start digging, and with no market idea, you won't have that seed keyword to get started. In that case, you can use the main Google search to help you generate ideas. All you need to do is run some open-ended searches for things people needing answers would search for. How to blank, how can I blank, where can I buy blank, best prices on blank, and so on. When you run these types of searches, you'll get the most popular searches showing up in the Google suggested searches. These are the phrases in the autocomplete list that Google will show once you start typing your search. As these suggestions show up, look for any that interest you. If you see something interesting, you can use that to narrow down the suggestions, again looking at what Google suggests. Keep fine-tuning the search until you have a niche idea that you want to research more fully. For example, I just typed "how can I" into Google and saw "how can I make money" as a suggestion. So I continued typing, so I now have "how can I make" as my search. A couple of the suggestions now are "how can I make my hair grow faster" and "how can I make my computer faster." How can I make my computer faster would probably be a good niche to research in more detail since there are a lot of people who would like to learn how to do it.